Crafted from premium titanium alloy, this sleek fidget slider is built to last. Its smooth metal finish feels luxurious in your hand, offering a flawless glide with every push. The design features elegant magpie-inspired patterns, blending nature's charm with urban cool. Whether displayed on your desk or carried in your pocket, it's a stylish statement. Push, slide, and enjoy the crisp, rhythmic clicks. Perfect for quick stress relief, whether you're working or commuting. Backed by HOLO's precision craftsmanship and the magpie's lucky symbolism, it's more than just a fidget toy, it's a collectible that balances function and meaning. Relax in style with HOLO. OMG, check out this lit collab. The fan-rimmed Chubby Dragon EDC Slider is just perfect, cute dragon design, so chubby and adorable. Smooth push and spin action with buttery glide plus crisp clicks, ultimate stress relief. Durable metal build feels premium AF. Work, study, commute, just fidget to instantly chill. Limited collab alert, grab yours and flex that style. Hey folks! Check out this Iron Bone Thunder EDC toy by Ranulite. It's a dream for DIY lovers. You can customize modules like the handle and ejection. Assemble it, get creative, and have a ton of fun. Fidgeting with it relieves stress, keeping your hands occupied and mind at ease. Whether showing off or enjoying alone, it's super addictive. A trendy, playful must-have that blends creativity and style. Grab yours and up your EDC game. Hey everyone! Ever seen an EDC that blends Chinese style with stress relief so well? Check out this Tai'E Sword shaped magnetic mechanical push card. It's part of a Chinese-style weapon series. With a mechanical structure and magnetic suction, the push and close action is super smooth. You'll love the click-click sound when playing with it, super satisfying. It's not just a stress buster, it also works as a cool desktop decor. Mixing traditional culture and trendy fun, once you hold it, you won't want to put it down. A total must-have gem. Hey EDC enthusiasts! Let's talk about the amazing SEKI Copper Wave Push Card. Crafted from copper, it has a solid, hefty feel. You'll get what premium fidget experience means the moment you hold it. The unique wave-like design, when you push it, your fingers glide over the undulations, super stress-relieving and addictive. Best part? As you fidget with it, the copper develops a beautiful patina over time. Every mark becomes your one-of-a-kind memory, getting more charming the longer you play with it. Whether for daily stress relief, chatting with fellow EDC lovers, or adding to your collection, it's a winner. Don't miss out, EDC fans, grab it and unlock new fun for your fingers at your fingertips. David King Push Card is a creative EDC toy. Its design combines a skull and a crown, inspired by King David, with a unique artistic style. Made of metal and other materials, it offers a smooth pushing experience, super satisfying for stress relief. Perfect for fidgeting, showing off to friends, or as a collectible. A cool mix of fun and culture. It has a solid, premium feel in hand. As you play, the metal even develops a unique patina over time, making each piece one of a kind. Whether you're an EDC fan or love creative gadgets, it's a must-try. Check out the Steel Bone Push Card by Wanwu Lu Ji. Crafted with metal for a premium feel. Its unique hollow-out design offers super smooth sliding with crisp tactile feedback. Perfect for EDC, slip it in your pocket, fidget to relieve stress. Fingers glide along the track, getting more addictive as you play. A must-have for EDC fans, great for fidgeting or collecting. Grab it and unlock new fun for your fingertips. Let's dive into the amazing General's Order Tuning Fork Push Card by Tai'E. Crafted with premium metal, it has a solid, satisfying heft in your hand. The unique tuning fork-inspired design isn't just for show. When you slide the parts, you'll feel super smooth movement and get crisp, delightful feedback. It's the perfect daily carry stress buster. Whether you're taking a break at work, waiting in line, or just chilling, pulling out this push card and fidgeting with it helps melt stress away. EDC lovers, it's not only a fun toy but also a collectible piece. With its cool look and great tactile feel, it stands out in any collection. Grab one, and let your fingers enjoy the awesome experience. Check out Tai'E's One Light Fidget Spinner. It's more than a toy, it's a philosophy. The name One Light illuminates a millennium dark room comes from ancient wisdom. Your mental darkness, stress, chaos, anxiety, gets pierced by a light of focus. Fidgeting with the spinner forces you to zone in, feel the spin, control the balance. In that moment, daily chaos fades. It's not just about spinning. It's about using a simple action to find clarity. A perfect EDC piece, carry it, spin it when life gets messy. Let it be your anchor to pull you back from mental clutter. For anyone into meaningful, tactile EDC, this spinner turns a fidget into a ritual of self-connection. Grab it, and light up your day, one spin at a time. This total nostalgia bomb from Cell EDC Tape Drive, the tape machine linkage push card. Just look at the design, it's a spot-on throwback to those classic old tape players. Every detail's there, the tape compartment, buttons, knobs, they're all textured and lifelike, like holding a little piece of music history in your hand. It's made with a mix of metal and precision plastic, so it has that satisfying heft when you hold it. Slide the parts, and you get this crisp click sound, super smooth. But here's the cool part, it's linked. Push a button, and the tape compartment even mimics that iconic open-close motion, just like a real tape player. Fidgeting with it feels like reliving those old days, and it's so addictive for stress relief. Solid metal, spins fast. Stress relieving, super cool. A quick spin chases away annoyance. Must have for EDC fans. It's not just a fidget push piece, but also a boost of faith. This Chima Chawan EDC, blending Tibetan Buddhist elements, can be seen as wearing a demon subduing armor. With the power of Garuda's blessing, it's full of substance. Push open the armor, turn the wheel, and in the moment of rotation, it feels like the hum of sound resonates in your ears. That's the power of faith. This little thing is really so much fun. Sharing SEKI-Rain EDC, which is currently quite popular. As a formidable contender in the flipper category, it has gained some market recognition. Let's take a look at the basic feel of this model. As usual, SEKI comes in a lunchbox style packaging, and the weight is very solid. It is indeed quite different from other flippers. and a comparison could be made later to provide intuitive references for newcomers or those who are undecided. The feel out of the box, to be honest, is nothing special, but perhaps adjustments can be made to achieve a better experience. Ever seen an EDC that mixes forever blooming flowers with hardcore stress relief? The Ryan Fidget toy from Finger Planet does it in the wildest way. Need to de-stress? Spin the top like crazy, the pop coin clicks, the chime coin dances. Just flick your fingers, and stress gets crushed into tiny pieces. And wait, there's a preserved flower in it. Stress relief plus aesthetic equals double win. Whether you just want to show off something unique, pull this out. Spin the top, pop the coin, and the flower never dies. When people ask, say, I'm growing a happiness flower that never fades, and curing my mental chaos. It's romantic, satisfying, and addictive. Once you try it, you'll be hooked. Trust me, this EDC is a game changer.